just want to show you how to connect Oticon hearing aids to your cell phone. This is iOS, so we're going to go into the settings of this iPhone, and down here you'll find accessibility. Accessibility will let us get into, if we scroll down, the option to connect hearing devices. So it is using Bluetooth, but it is not in the normal Bluetooth menu. You go accessibility and then hearing devices, and it will begin searching for hearing aids. If you then close the battery, or if it was already closed, open and close it. It'll take just a couple seconds for the hearing aids to turn on, and then the iPhone will find those hearing aids and we can connect them. So in just a moment, here you see these two hearing aids are showing up on the iPhone. If I tap on that, it'll ask me 2 times to pair. And that is everything that needs to be done to connect the hearing aids to the iPhone. They are ready to go for phone calls and streaming and using the app. Everything is complete.